Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the effects in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN. So I'm going to open this. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds. VN is open. Now simply we have to click on the plus icon. And after clicking on the plus icon, we have to click on the new project. So let's click on the new project. And after clicking on new project, as you can see, we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to click on the next button. And after clicking on the next, as you can see, you will be redirected to the timeline. So as you can see, the timeline is here. So simply what we have to do, we have to click on the FX option. As you can see, as the FX option. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, some options are provided into group wise, like the basic, beats, glitch, RGB, blur. These all are provided here. You have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, if you want to use this one, this will work like this. If you want to use this one, it will work like this. If you want to choose this one, you have to click on this and it will work like this. So in this way you can use effects like this. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this, and simply you have to hit the right button and it will be applied to your clips. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use effects in VN app. So see you guys in the next video.